Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we present a car for sale, which is a 57 plate, 2007 57 XK Jaguar. It's a 4.2 coupe and it's finished in lunar grey with ivory full leather trim. And this car is absolutely outstanding and we look forward to showing you around the car. This car has full service history. We've just literally serviced it this afternoon and it's had 4 wheels refurbished. It's had the chrome pack fitted, which is the chrome door mirrors, chrome handle, chrome wing vents and chrome rear light cluster surrounds. And sorry about the noise there, I'm just putting the shutter door down because it's absolutely freezing today. Right, there we go. It's a rear boot spoiler, and as you can see, we've put new alloy wheel centre caps on as well. This car's very, very low mileage, and we'll show you that in a second. It's got rear parking sensors, and the paintwork is absolutely faultless. There is nothing to report on the paint, no scuffs, no scratches, no dents, no marks at all. There was a couple of little chips on the windscreen, so nothing really to report, but we just don't like things like that here when we're prepping cars. So we ordered a brand spanking new heated front windscreen, and that was fitted by Autoglass. Hopefully you'll get the gist of the car's fantastic condition and quality from this walk round video. If not, you are always welcome to make an appointment to come down and view the car. I'll just show you the boot. There you go. Absolutely clean as a whistle in there. Parcel shelf, unlike a lot of these parcel shelves on these cars, this one isn't dropping down, it's fixed firmly, and it doesn't look to have had any modifications, just looks like to be factory to me. It's got a space saver spare wheel and full toolkit in there. I'll just show you inside. The ivory leather in this car, complemented with the walnut veneer. As you can see, all the door cards and door shuts are just like brand new. It's got full electric seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got memory seats. It's got electric steering column, leather bound steering wheel. It's cruise control. It's also got the leather top dash, satellite navigation, touchscreen. It's obviously an automatic. I'll just pull these paper mats out so you can see the carpets are just like brand new. We have got some proper Jaguar overmats ordered, so they will be put in the car as soon as they arrive. As you can see there in the back, looks like it's never been used, like most of them. No damage or scuffs or scrapes to the driver's seat, as you can see in there. Absolutely first class, this car. Drives perfect, sounds perfect. There is 2 key fobs with the car, a full handbook set, locking wheel nut key, like I said before, full toolkit. I'll show you under the bonnet in a second. Beautiful leather, all perforated as well. As you can see there, there's the 2 key fobs just like new. And in there, beautiful condition. That's the other side. I'll just show you underneath the bonnet there. Of course, these cars are all aluminium. Really, really good on fuel, really quick. They're a 4.2 V8 petrol with just around about 300 horsepower they are. But brilliant fun, sound fantastic. This has got the leather armrest. When you push the, or slide the armrest back, the cup holders are beneath. It's got a starting button. Obviously, you know, keyless go. It's got auto dimming rear view mirror. Perfect headliner. Absolutely perfect. Electric aerial, fully functional. Like I said, it's got rear parking sensors. I'll just have a look at the front. I can't remember seeing front parking sensors, but I'm probably wrong. No, it's not got front parking sensors. It has, however, got xenon lights. We put a brand new set of number plates on it, proper fitted or shaped one at the rear. As you can see, the rear chrome boot plinth badges and rear cluster surrounds look fantastic. They really do. It's a fantastic car, this. We will be putting a lot of photographs of this car on our Facebook business page, which is the Malton Motor Company, or you can look on our website and they'll all be uploaded onto there as well, which is www.themaltonmotorcompany.com. If you'd like to give us a call on our sales hotline, it's 07759 938 395. And we're always happy to help and go through any questions that you've got. Like I say, the car's got full service history. We've just serviced it now. All the tyres are absolutely in fantastic condition. I've just inspected all the brakes when I was servicing it, and they're all absolutely fine. Discs are fine. Pad depth is just like new on the front, and on the back, there's, you know, you won't be into them for another couple of years. So, yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely car. In the right colour as well, Lunar Grey. Beautiful looking car. Any questions, give us a shout. We're always here to help, like I say. But please don't just drop down at the showroom. We're not always here, but we can be if you want to make an appointment and give us a particular time and day that you're available. We'll work around you, and we'll be happy to show you the car or any of the other cars that we've got in stock. Please keep watching our videos. Please like them, subscribe and share. We'd be really, really grateful if you could do that for us. They are proving quite popular. But see the photographs on our website or Facebook business page, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.